In this video, we will show you how to integrate ChatGPT with GPT Connect. Go to Settings, then Integrations. Select OpenAI, ChatGPT. Click Connect. To enable ChatGPT, you must provide the API key from the OpenAI website. Go to OpenAI Platform Overview. You have a link to the website on the YouTube description box below. Click on your username at the upper right corner of your screen. Navigate to View API Keys. Here, you create a new secret key and name it for easy reference. Once secret key is generated, copy and paste it inside our Chatbot platform. Next, under Business Information, this is where all the magic begins. Here you will need to provide all information about your business. ChatGPT will use this information to construct responses to answer user queries. Primary information include the following: business location, services offered and pricing, and as well as FAQs. To learn more about ChatGPT prompts, we have created a separate video for you with all kinds of tips and tricks on how to create one. You have the link on the bottom part of this video. Copy the prompt into the business information box. For now, leave GPT 3.5 Turbo as default model. As newer versions get released, GPTconnect.ai will also update its list of AI models. Temperature measures the creativity of ChatGPT's replies. The closer the value to 1, the more creative the response will be. Click Continue and set default reply as active, then press Save.